Hi, hello. Khulumbai kya joto takhokte bukhok songno. Norne bagai belekeno khobor kaham. Ketal job notification okhor ka NIT Agartala ni hoite. Norok Google thangai type khaidi www.nita.ac.in or type khaikeno no page phainai. O page thangai norok click khaijo jaga news and events or click khaimani pore norok nungnai non teaching recruitment notice omo kuno teaching niya non teaching recruitment notice job tongo kaisangka group A ar ta kaisangka group B and C जों दरि बनि notification नायनाय हिंगांके नरक नायनायदि कायसांका advertisement and details for group A post आर ता कायसांके group B and C तारनो नायदि PDF क्लिक खायदि क्लिक खायमन परे हिंकाय नरक दंनाय जे तामताम बुसुक qualification nok nang ba kota post dong हेदिबा नायदि अरो ताबक ताम सेकासिनि पुलेनो Deputy Registrar Group A boni vacancy tongo total 4 the grade pay kha 7600 mongkha je level scale of pay rejanai 7th pay level 12 ar taksanka Deputy Librarian Group A omen total vacancy ka kaisa no same now grade pay 7600 ar taksanka assistant registrar group A open total vacancy 2 boni grade pay ka 5400 taban pore hankai assistant librarian group A no grade pay 5400 vacancy kaisa aban pore executive engineer civil engineering group A vacancy tongo kaisa no salary ka bini grade pay 5400 tai senior medical officer group A bini grade pay 7600 bini vacancy kaisa no aban pore medical officer group A bini vacancy ka kainei bini grade pay 5400 aban pore student activity and sports SAS officer group A bini vacancy kainei aban pore scientific technical officer group A 5400 grade pay boni vacancy total ka 3 obongka boni total vacancy tai grade pay rok obongka bini tolate bo tongo je qualification जों माने ताबुक चिनि deputy registrar ni bagai tamo busuk qualification nok nang obo norok naimane norok kaisa kaisa ke naidi or jaga jetu nojak tongo jemon deputy registrar ni tamo qualification nang taboni pore nini deputy library ni tamo qualification nang tamo experience nang busuk age joto nojak tongo norok just or details no nai paidi aboni pore जों thangnai takasa tongo obongka tamo group B by group and C जों PDF hamnai nei oni vacancy rok जों nainai nei pulena tamo superintendent group B boni total vacancy 5 boni grade pay ka 4200 aboni scale of pay ka 7 tongnai pay level 6 aboni pore ka personal assistant group B vacancy kaisa no grade pay 4200 aboni pore technical assistant group B vacancy ka 7 aboni pore assistant engineer SG2 civil engineering haikaba electrical engineering group B boni grade pay ka 4800 te boni total vacancy ka kainei aboni pore assistant engineer civil engineering or electrical engineering group B bini grade payable 4600 teboni total vacancy inka 04 aboni pore junior engineer civil engineering the electrical engineering group B grade pay inka 4200 boni vacancy inka 07 aboni pore library and information assistant boni group B number grade pay inka 4200 vacancy 5 aboni pore SAS assistant group B bini total vacancy kainai grade pay same 4200 aboni pore pharmacist group C okay group C pharmacist group C grade pay inka 2800 vacancy kaisa no aboni pore office attendant the lab attendant group C scale inka nini grade pay 1800 bani total vacancy inka 11 abani pore junior assistant group C grade pay 2000 atai bani total vacancy inka 10 abani pore senior assistant group C bani grade pay about 2400 vacancy inka 6 apra technician group C pay level 3 bini vacancy inka 18 grade pay 2000 apra senior technician group C bani grade pay inka 2400 total vacancy inka 9 obonka post tai vacancy rok tai boni tola norok tebo nai manai je omini bagoi busuk ST rong bagai busuk tong UO rong bagai busuk tong tai SC rong busuk tong nok nai manai te boni tola hangke norok post ni bagai tam tamo qualification rak obo details uzo no jagoi tongo jemon superintendent ni tamo qualification na joto no jagoi tongo jaga norok obo kisa nai pne di tai norok omonka boni busuk vacancy tai tamo nang marokse tabok nongno sanai o job no nok apply khainani hingake norok boro thana nang o jaga link for online apply o jaga click khaidi click khaimani pore o jaga naidi tam sijak recruitment for non teaching post right side naidi junior assistant office attendant bani kwangma post tongo je jaga norok je post nung sajagoi ba nung jeni ni eligible tongkha hangke nungo apply o jaga green button no click khaidi angno no kaisa khai phunongnai example naidi o jaga junior assistant right side naidi green button or green button click khaidi khaimani pore loading ngai tongo aben naidi junior assistant ning o jaga nini nini krok sidi title si nini title sidi nini full name sidi abon pore nini date of birth di apura nini gender marital status father name father occupation mother name mother occupation o jaga mo joto no fill up khebe di tai nor jodi ST ke ST click khaidi abon pore nationality di apura nini education qualification busuk thong amnor khaimano 10th high secondary PG PhD undergraduate aboni pore nani postal address boro diara the present address permanent address tai nani photo bilagan upload khaina na kaisa passport size below 500 KB tai photo ni abona na JPG apre signature upload khaina na below 500 KB no ambo JPG no unangnai abon pore kani upload degree mark sheet certificate below 3 MB ni unangnai uploading green color uploading file green color tai nong ni je bukhani moton kaisa password setup khai norok process je mo button captcha ro click khai process khadi khaimani pore asik paya kho oboni pore sing nong ni email o je norok email address ro no o email address ni nor thangnai user sorry login ID by password yaw non ID login ID te password a login ID jeni ni email o thangmani abono jaga ruboi click khaidi click khaima pore password di abo login khaidi login khaimani pore ta nongne aro noni experience rok busuk tong abo marnai to noni qualification busuk abo marnai taisa tai payment khainangne sorry ang payment kaisa tongo jara general rok bagi hingke 500 tai jara ST SC rok bagi hingke 250 o jaga nangnai tai norok abono jora tongsini apply khaibai di khakhai norok jora tongsino apply khaibai no naising naidero না ঠিক আছে বেগেন হামবাই